If I had to name one disorganized spot in my home right now, I'd probably say the cabinet under the kitchen sink. Why? Well, because it has a tiny space to begin with, it has a giant pipe in the middle of things, and that makes it so hard to work around. And the irony being that I use it to store my cleaning supplies, and it's really not clean itself. Well, today I just want to show you how I've organized my under the kitchen sink cabinet. So let's get started. So the first thing I did was I just decluttered everything. I removed everything from under the sink and I segregated them according to how I wanted to place them again in the cabinet. Then I placed the organizers in the respective places. So this is what it was before the cleanup, and this is what it became after organizing and cleaning it up. Now let me show you what I have placed in the different areas of this cabinet. Let me start with the door. Here on this door I have placed a command hook, and using a binder clip I have placed these rubber cleaning gloves on the command hook. On the second command hook I have placed a paper bag there. In this paper bag I have some vegetable mesh bags that I use to store my vegetables in. I store it in this paper bag and I hang it on the command hook. Coming to the area under the sink, over here I have placed a foldable storage rack, and on top I have placed these paper towels, and I removed the packaging so it's much easier to store them. Next to the paper towels I have placed this basket. In this basket I have placed dusting cloths that I have used earlier. I have washed it, dried it, and then placed it in these baskets. So when I need it next, I know where to find them. In the area below, I have stored in this yellow basket a few of these storage clips, and I have segregated them according to their sizes. I have placed them according to their sizes in different containers. Like this, it's much easier to find the correct clip when needed. I've also stored a cleaning brush and some wipes, surface wipes. Here I also have an extra sink organizer which I've just kept just in case it comes in handy in the future. Next to the foldable storage rack, I've placed the spray bottle, and at the back I've placed some insect repellents and some surface cleaners. I've placed it at the back so that it's not easily accessible by the kids in case they just open it and try to, rummage through things inside. So I like to keep these dangerous things at the back. Area of the cabinet, I have placed some things that I don't use on regular basis. I've kept it right at the back. In the front, I'll be placing these 3 baskets. I have a separate video dedicated on my favorite organizers. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So in this basket, I have kept some garbage bags and some Swiffer wipes. In the second basket, I have placed liquid detergent and a bottle of baking soda, as I use baking soda very often to clean my kitchen sink. In the third basket, I have placed some spray bottles, a Colin liquid and a refill of it, some baking soda and water in one spray bottle, and some liquid detergent and water mix. this is where I place these baskets. The shelf below, I have placed this plastic storage unit. Let me show you what I have placed in these drawers. So in the first drawer, I have stored extra garbage bags and some magic erasers. These white sponges are called magic erasers. They're really nice to remove stains from the wall. I'll try and find it on Amazon and leave the link in the description box below. Next to it, I've stored some Scotch-Brite sponges, and in this pink basket, I've stored an extra kitchen sink cleaner head from Scotch-Brite and some extra scrub and some steel wool. I like to remove all these packaging because then it's easier to store them. Otherwise, the packaging makes the product so bulky and it's difficult to store. Some more about these magic erasers. I did not get it from here. My sister-in-law sent it from US. I'll try and find them but on Amazon, and I'll try and leave the link below. So in the next drawer, I have kept brand new kitchen towels, microfiber cloths, hand towels, a swabbing cloth, all cloths basically that are unused and fresh. I've placed it in this second drawer. I've also placed some sponge wipes in this drawer. I've also labeled these drawers because labeling makes it easier to find things later on, and it's also easy for others to find things as well. Next to it, I've placed this cleaning brush which I use to clean the sofas. On this too, I've placed a command hook and I've hung a window wiper there. It's such a relief now that the under the sink cabinet is finally cleaned. My cleaning shelf is finally cleaned. Yeah, so that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Until next time, have a lovely weekend. Bye.